The RFX has officially landed in the UK. Unbox it with us and we'll show you just how easy it is to get set up. Everything you need is in the starter kit. That's your RFX MEAT and RFX GATEWAY. Let's take a look inside. The Gateway comes with a charging cable and plug, a Pro Series air probe, and a grate clip to keep an eye on your pit temperature. Unlike others, our air probe plugs into the side of the Gateway, giving you more accurate readings than those built in. You'll also find the antenna, which simply screws onto the Gateway. Your MEAT comes with its own charging block and probe. It's compact and smaller than most, so it leaves less of a hole in your MEAT. At the end of the probe, you'll see two lines. The thick line is your recommended immersion depth. The thinner line is the minimum. Ready to get started? Download the ETI app from the App Store or Google Play. You'll find a handy QR code on the packaging to take you to the listing where you can find links to download the app. Open the app and either log in with Apple ID or create a new account. Just follow the on-screen steps. Once you're in, tap Device to connect your Gateway. This step comes before connecting your MEAT. Switch the Gateway on using the button on the back. If it's your first time setting up, keep it plugged in. You can unplug it once setup is done. A flashing blue light means it's in pairing mode. Follow the steps in the app and make sure the ID number matches the one on your Gateway. Connect to Wi-Fi using your network name and password. When the Gateway turns green, you're all set. Using the Pro Series probe is optional, but brilliant for serious cooks. Choose how often your Pro Series probe sends data, every 15, 30 or 60 seconds. Here you can also name this channel for easy location in the app. You can also set high and low temp alerts so you'll know the second your pit or oven goes off track. Now it's time to connect your RFX MEAT. Go back to Device and follow the steps. It's really simple. Just place the probe to the Gateway's antenna and they'll pair instantly. Here, you can set your temperature-based transmission intervals. For cooks under 5 hours, we recommend a 1 degree interval. Use the silicone colour bands to identify each probe. Set your high and low alarms and you're ready to go. Want to tweak a probe settings? Tap the probe to rename it, adjust the alarms, check battery life or change the transmission interval. So that's it, the wait is over. Get your hands on the UK's most wanted meat thermometer at thermapen.co.uk.